All new Mavic Mini over here. Check out this brand new bag. Oh,
I actually like
it's
this.
pretty sleek. This actually reminds me of the old airbags.
One of the things is they don't give you the propeller guards now.
Oh yeah, that's kind of annoying. Let's check out what's in here.
Alright, this controller is what I want to see.
Oh my god, that's massive.
That is pretty big.
Holy fuck.
That is what she said. That is totally what she said.
Not YouTube. Wow, that's big.
Oh, wow.
That's literally bigger than the Mavic.
I do like that, though.
Yeah, it does look pretty nice.
Oh, wait. I could just do it from here rather than in the app.
You had to do it in the app before?
Yeah.
I have a Switch on mine for the... Wait, let's compare it to... Here. The OG controller, the mother of controllers, the Mavic Pro. I'm getting all the products.
Yeah, how do I fit this back in here? Oh, there's a little... Okay.
There's no way. You could fit the Mini in your pocket, but you ain't fitting that thing in your pocket. That look it's the size of my dick.
Accessories.
Let's see what we got. All the
so.
batteries.
No USB-C. Okay. That's upsetting.
But the Mavic does have USB-C. So why would they not do that?
So this has USB-C.
Yeah.
That has USB-C.
Yes, it does.
The controller has USB-C. This is not USB-C.
Whack.
I think this is the hub. This is smaller, is it not? Than what I just gave you?
Yeah, I think they made it more portable. Oh, that looks way nicer. The other one's ugly.
Same way to take out the battery.
But it's easier, right?
Yeah, just about. It's about the same.
Oh, yeah, that's definitely easier.
It's about the same. Okay, yeah, so USB-C. And then I guess they use it as a power.
That's a nice little hub charger, though.
Yeah.
So does it charge one at a time, or does it charge all three simultaneously?
So that one, it had to do one at a time.
That's
I
probably
don't know
the
about
same.
this one.
Probably voltage issues.
Maybe.
Tech vlogs right here. Getting content.
All the wires that you need. Where's the lighting one? So that's C to C, C to micro.
I love how the background is Best Buy.
Yeah, right. Because we just bought it. Where's the iPhone cable?
Probably built in to the controller. Is that something I heard?
Is it?
I remember something somewhere. It's built in, right? It is
okay.
built in. Okay, that's good design. I like that.
I like that. Okay.
That is a very good design.
I guess that kind of warrants it a little bit.
All right, and now for the finishing.
Oh.
Little baby. Oh, yes, there we go. Peel them. Oh, yeah, and that thing. That thing's amazing. That's awesome.
Oh,
That should have always been a thing. Every drone needs that, yo. I'm so tired of propellers flying everywhere and breaking.
I thought it'd be a magnet, though.
Oh,
I didn't know it was a clip-on button.
That's for the best, if you do want to actually put it in your pocket. Rip sticker. You're relentless with this unboxing. This man is not returning this.
Yeah, this is same thing. So.
Same thing, yeah. I don't think they changed it. That gimbal right there is still really good.
Yeah.
Like, I have no.
But like I said,
complaints
it needs to be powered.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And then I'm assuming there's a battery in here already. If there's only two there. Yep. That's it.
Imagine it was just missing a battery.
I would have just returned it right away.
How much juice do we have? Probably 50%. Oh. Well.
Oh, wait. I should probably open it before I...
That battery is dead, but I bet the other two have juice. Oh, yeah, that looks nice. Yeah, that battery's dead. I know that for a fact. It'll flash at you if it wasn't dead.
Yeah. Let's do that.
What is it? Just vibrate?
I guess they're in my back seat.
Hey everyone, Moss Views here. Today we're doing an unboxing of